Hello everybody, welcome back to another video with Liam Reviews. Now in today's video, we're going to be checking out Realme's super affordable wireless earbuds that's called the Realme Buds Q2s. Now this device is only 139 ringgit here in Malaysia, and it actually has a couple of really cool features that I think you might actually be interested in. So if you're in the market and you're looking for one of the most affordable earbuds, but you want some proper quality, some good features, I think this one here might be for you. Alright, so we're just taking a look at the box first and foremost. Let me just show you a couple of key features that Realme is really focusing on. Now, first and foremost, you can see here that we do have this 30 hours total playback. And that's actually a very long time because, these days we just don't want to charge our earbuds all the time. And if you are like me, occasionally you go on flights, you want to make sure you have a lot of battery life. This one here definitely cuts it for you. Now, apart from that, you see that we also have a 10mm dynamic bass driver. And yep, this means that you can expect more bass from these earbuds. Moving on, we have an AI EMC noise cancellation. So this also means that, if you're going to take up calls using the earbuds, your audio from your voice is going to be much clearer than other earbuds. Alright, so flipping the box to the other side, we also have a couple more features before we go into the earbuds itself. Over here, it says that, a 10-minute charge can give you approximately 3 hours of playback. That means, again, if you are on the go, you want to just quickly charge up the earbuds, you can do that. You also have your 88 ms super low latency. This is good for those of you who like to game a lot. And last but not least, we also have this instant connection. That means it connects really easily. It's Bluetooth 5.2, by the way. So this is basically the box itself. Within the box, you also get a couple of manuals. It's in this really rolled up form. So yep, you get some manuals here. And of course, you also get that yellow Type-C cable for charging the device itself. Very, very nice one here. And of course, you have a couple of ear tips just in case, you have different kinds of, ear sizes and all that. So this one here would definitely allow you to get really comfortable and snug with the Realme Buds Q2s. Alright, so now that I've got those out of the way, we really want to focus here on the buds itself. This is the Realme Buds Q2s, guys. So on first impressions, the design itself, I'm a huge fan for transparent stuff, and we do have this transparent casing here. It's actually very nice. The hinge itself is very solid. You can just hear that very nicely. It's a very nicely made device here. If you move on to the bottom, it's sort of a soft touch kind of materials. It's matte at the bottom here, so you won't get a lot of smudges and all that. Now, after using the case for almost 2 to 3 weeks now, I noticed that I do not have much scratches on it. I know some of you might be concerned about scratches, getting all over the case, but so far it's so good. Now, if you notice at the front, we do have one LED notification light. Let me just get that turned on. And if you flip the device to the back, this is where you have your Type-C port for charging the device. This doesn't come with wireless charging, but at this price point, I think, Type-C charging is actually fine. Now, the earbuds themselves, let me take them out for you so you can see them clearer. This is actually the earbuds itself. And of course, you control the earbuds by tapping on the back here to, switch to your songs, to actually play, pause and all that. So you control the earbuds by tapping on the sides. Apart from that, there is no in-ear detection here, so if you remove the earbuds from your ears, it will not play or pause the music, it will continue running. So that's basically what you can get in terms of the design, the form factor of the device and all that. Overall, I think it's a very nice looking wireless earbuds for the price. Really can't complain much about this. Now, what's really cool about this Realme Buds Q2s is that it actually connects to the Realme Link app, which I'm going to show you in a minute right now. So I'm just going to put this down and pretend the earbuds are connected, and we're going to go into my phone right here. Now, obviously, the Q2s will work with both Android and iOS, and if you just install the Realme Link app, this is where you can actually explore even more functions. Now, over here, once you install the app and pair the device to the phone, you will see that we have a lot of information in the app itself, and I really appreciate that. Now, first things first, you have a couple of sound effects here. Just take a look at this. We have bass booster, balance, and bright. Now, as the name suggests, bass booster means that you will have a lot of bass in the music itself. Now, this is suitable for songs like, those rap, those kind of songs, R&B stuff. If you go to balance, it really balances the high, the mids, as well as the bass. So it's a very balanced kind of sound here. And if you prefer to hear more on the vocals, this is where you choose the bright. As you can see, the logo, the icon itself is a microphone. So yep, the bright really means that, you will have even better clarity in terms of the vocals. Now, if you just move down, you have your volume enhancer. You also see that we support Dolby Atmos. So this means that, if you're going to watch movies on your phone, you're going to expect some really better kind of, audio quality coming out from the Realme Buds Q2s. Now, what else do we have here? If I just continue going down, you notice that we have our game mode. So like I mentioned earlier on, if you are a gamer, you play PUBG, you can activate that super low latency by going into the app itself and turning that game mode on. Other than that, this is pretty much what you get. Okay, so I did mention earlier on that we can actually tap to control the earbuds. Now, if you just want to customize that, you can go into your button settings, and this is where you will be able to access even more control. So again, my main point with these earbuds here is that basically you are able to have a lot of customizations going on. I like the fact that it has the Realme Link app, so you can adjust your bass booster. You can even adjust the equalizer so that it suits your exact music preference. Now, apart from that, you might wonder if this earbuds has ANC. No, it does not come with active noise cancellation, but the way it's built is actually allowing the earbuds to block out a significant amount of noise. So when I put this into my ears, I noticed that the entire environment is blocked out. I can even feel I can hear my heartbeat and all that. So it's actually very good at blocking out noise. Right, so basically this is the Realme Buds Q2s in a nutshell for the price again of just RM139. It can't really get better than this. You're going to get proper warranty from Realme Malaysia. You're going to get a really solidly built wireless earbuds. Everything is just working very nicely with the app as well. And yeah, this is basically a pretty good device if you are looking for a budget wireless earbuds. Alright guys, I think that's it for my very quick hands-on or review with the Realme Buds Q2s. If you do have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you are already using one, don't forget to drop a like here. And of course, I hope to see all of you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!